But one thing, this wasn't from Unwanted Kicks though, so I'm not so happy. But if it was from Unwanted Kicks, I would love it with my heart. But shout out to the OJ ones! Woo! But listen, got the bottles, everything ready. We're about to start today. No, you can't start here. You have to go back from start. You know what? Like this video though, but let me take you back. Sorry. Yo, y'all know what time is it, right? Y'all know what time is it. Yo, what's good, social media family? It's your boy, PVG Joe, and I'm back again with another video. Yo, look, y'all know what today is, nah? Y'all know today is the 6th of September. It's your boy's birthday. Make sure you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Look, I'm out here waiting for my Uber. You know your boy look messy a little bit, yeah? On his birthday. Look how messy I look. Come on, blame my barber. So I'm waiting for my Uber so I can grab my ride and go to my barber and get my hair done and, you know, start my day, go to Highlight, grab me some food, and then ready to start today. Yo, I know it's been a minute, man. You all miss me. You all miss the boys. You all miss us. But listen, we'll bring in mad content. So
Stop it. Get some help.
we'll be, you know what? I need to stop saying this. I'ma just have to do it. But I need y'all to subscribe. Subscribe, join the family, and give this video a thumbs up, man. Come on, give our video a thumbs up. Go back to our previous video. Give them thumbs up, man. Get the likes to the roof. Oh yeah, here comes my ride, man. I can see you in the next scene. You know your boy BBG Joe. It's my birthday, man. Come on, comment down below. Come on, see you in the next scene. I'm out. Yeah. About to get my hair done and then dusted. And then I'm ready to start my day. It's my birthday, man. I can't believe it. It's actually my birthday. I'm just so grateful, man. Shout out to God and shout out to everyone I have around me. They've been motivating me. They've been keeping me strong and keep me going, you know. Like, shout out to you guys as well, man. Your love is on another level, man. And shout out to all those, yo, I know who you are. Those who wish me happy birthday wishes, I know yo. And even if I don't, man, shout out to y'all. May God bless you. So, I'm about to have a crazy day, I pray. But we see how the day go, you know. About to give you lit content so always. That's why I don't really vlog all the time, because I'm about to give you something that y'all will enjoy watching and y'all will enjoy, you know, keeping it real and keeping it solid. But I'm just waiting for this guy to come through and cut my hair. Look at this. I've been sitting here for long now, waiting for him. What barber does this? Leave the client sitting on the chair and they go to the shop. Like, come on, someone can rob the shop. Nah, shout out to my barber though. Best barber in the city. Shout out to you. And no free promo. Dang.
What? You look like a snake!
Haircut check. Ooh. And listen, it's about to get lit. We're about to start the party. Let's go. Outfit check. Get your BBG merch before it's too late. As time go on, I don't think we're gonna be making this type of BBG merch anymore. I don't know if I should show you like the different type of merches we're gonna start doing, but leave that. Shout out to Nike. Not Nike, but shout out to my G from Sports Scenes. And shout out to my G's from Nike. Not your boy dripped out. Shout out. But one thing, this wasn't from Unwanted Kicks though, so I'm not so happy. But if it was from Unwanted Kicks, I would love it with my heart. But shout out to the OJ ones! Woo! But listen, got the bottles, everything ready. We're about to start today.
Killy, my killy. The best man is that. Come on, United. United. My killy, my killy. My killy, my killy, man. Come on. Come on, my killy. Kill you, man. Come on, United, man. United, man. Come on. Man, it's too late. It's too late.
The boys came out of school on a scarro. You in the vlog, bro. Tell the people what they're missing out on. Tell them what they're missing out on. You in the vlog, guys. Say, about to break bread. Shout out to Highlight, man. Shout out to Highlight. I keep telling you about the slab, man. Keep telling you about the slab. We ain't gonna say no more. We ain't gonna say no more.
I like X wine pack.
There you go. We're gonna make our own menu soon. What you say?
Shout out Highlight. It's amazing shit.
Shut up, I like the slab. I like slab. Break bread with the Owens. Say. That's your voice, that's your voice. You got
busy editing a video and then I realized that the cameraman didn't take all the pieces. While we're popping the second bottle, camera went off and he didn't record, so you kind of missed out a lot of things that I can't explain. But other than that, till now they didn't like the video.
Owens subscribing, like me, yo.
Yeah, you are. Click the like button.
Come
Come on.
man.
Click the like button.
My name is Rasta PJ.
Other than that, give this video a thumbs up. Come on, show your boys some love. BBG family all the way, you know. But keep watching the video. Go back. Let's go. I'm here with.
BBGSD, you know the vibes.
You know the vibes. You know what time is it?
You know.
When you see BBJ in the vlog, you know what time is it? You know what time is it? You know what time is it? Got the family at the back. You know what time is it? And then I got the, I don't know if he's a security or he's just there for the extra money. Uncle Bongani. You know what time is it? I want to show you something. How many seconds you think it's going to take me from here to there?
Go crazy. Ah, go stupid. Ah, go crazy. Go stupid. Ah, go crazy. Yeah. Go stupid. Go crazy. Ah, a little bit.
Nah, leave it. It's my birthday, man. I'm out here with the fam. You know, just having great moments. On me. Only September babies can have this type of cloud. Got the families taking pictures out here. What you looking at?
BBG.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
BBGS in the building. See this penguin? Number one bullshit penguin.
Number one bullshit, guys. No, I'm very. Oh, you. Shout out to the family, man. Shout out to the family. Subscribe to the channel.
Show
Join the
what
movement
you're
now.
wearing, man.
Join
Show.
the movement now.
Yeah, join
the movement. This one's free. Shout out to the boys, man. They bought it for me. Get your BBG merch now before it's too late.
Yes,
I
indeed.
want to stop talking, but Esther's. We're out here in this boring restaurant. We like the only people out here. They're flexing it. I should have gone to KFC, Raja. What's that? Oh my God! Mad. Cause your open eyes.
I thought you was gonna order your food.
Go. How old are you? Why are you having a mojito?
Sometimes women please.
Chef, you eating phone, chef. Nah, that's a virgin mojito. Don't worry.
I don't think
You're enjoying yourself so far. Enjoying yourself so far.
yes, sir.
You see? There's a lot of ice. Let's drink.
So yeah, we're having our rice with some ketchup and hot sauce. And Baby Joe on his milkshake. What flavor is this, Joe?
Which one is it?
No, your milkshake. What flavor?
What do you mean? I don't eat chili.
Why not?
I will never eat chili after whatever we did at that time.
Oh, that's up. I saw that.
I never eat chili ever again.
Number one supporter.
But it's not his problem. It's our problem.
Next is. Oh my gosh, the lady's having steak. What you say? You like your steak? Okay. You can see who eats the most in the family, guys.
What you talking about, Willis?
Ooh, seafood platter, steak.
Number one.
You can't leave your looting spirit, nah? Enjoy your food though. Sir, how many tips you think you should give him?
200.
200. Salute. So right now, we got 4 cards. I need Bless to pick up one. Becky, you have a feeling like they're gonna pick his card. Huh? Becky, one Becky's card is here. You have a feeling they're gonna pick his. I have a feeling they're gonna pick few of those. No, I don't wanna show the card. I don't wanna show the card. There's lots of scammers. Okay, SIC 200 rented. We got him. We're just waiting for Bless to come. OG, pick a card. Pick a card.
I think I remember the card that you
Pick a card.
Oh my god.
Make a good decision. There you go. There you go. Please make it 17. No, you already picked 1701. 1701.